ngayon?
This is what I experienced.
I think it's okay na yun.
Yeah, that's okay.
Look at today. Here. Look at it. It almost swim. Big bit. Almost ano, deep.
Did you go through?
A bit deep.
Did you go through?
There's no other way.
No. Hindi pwede ito because malalim ito. Di sa gilid. So you should hear. It's okay. Ang galing pa rin ito. So, babae pa ng driver mo.
The top is okay.
Chicks eh, no? Bali wala lang sa kanya, no? Hindi niya alam, ano, no?
Baba yun.
Tumihik siya dun.
Four-wheel drive ito na, mine.
Okay.
It's okay. See? Before, remember I told you before the experience that I'm walking in the front?
Yeah. And then you get your foot.
Yep.
Nasa luwak eh. Kaya tayo sa gitna. Hindi kaya sa gilid eh. Malalim.
Tapos yung malalaki na sa gitna, sa gilid na. Ayun na naman, malalaki yun eh. Yun, no? So,
What are they doing then?
Rescue.
Rescue.
I think he was drowning. It's too shallow.
look at it that side, right side.
It's gonna be there.
Almost
Stay there.
water.
Yeah. It's like yeah, not sometimes. It's every day it's raining. Apparently.
Yes, every day it's raining. Kaya before a lot of stranded here. Unable to go sleep.
Yung mga guys.
Well, then. Thank you, Lord. We nearly there. Out of the
Maybe
flood.
there's still another what?
No, no, out of the flood.
Oh.
Okay. Now we're here. Is there more? Ano, dito one?
There's a lot of traffic here.
Dito lang yung flooded area.
Oh yeah, only this area.